Hello everyone, my name is Aaron. I'm going to show you how to change the screen on a Dell Inspiron 15-inch 3000 series. It's really easy. I was going to take it to a professional to do it. They would have charged me twice as much as just purchasing this screen myself and changing it myself, and it takes less than 5 minutes maybe. So first things first, power the laptop off. I'll remove the power cable, and I'll remove the battery. And then hold the power for 5 seconds so that it drains the laptop of all electricity. This is just being extremely precautious. So now that we've done that, the plastic casing comes off quite simply. You just use your fingernails and gently pull back, and the plastic casing will just come right off. Just pops off like butter. You could tilt it backwards to get the bottom pieces off if need be. And then that's completely off. So now there's these 4 screws over here, and that's all that's holding the laptop in place, or the screen in place. So I will just remove those. They are very small, so things like that can happen. Yeah, so just be quite mindful of where they go. That's just on the table there. As you can see, they can just slip quite easily. And we'll just pull this black tape down off here to remove the last screw. And I'll just hold the screen in place just in case it falls. So now the screen can just be removed. So this over here is where the screen connects. You can just pull this piece of tape off. There's a little hook over here you can see that just comes off, and then you just push it outwards with the pressure sort of going away from the screen, so the pressure is going that way. It's quite easy to get the feel of it if you have it. So I have the old screen here. I'll just put something down so when I put the new screen down, it doesn't get marked up. So I've got the new screen here. Once again, tab is still pulled up. I'll just slide it in there. Same thing. Tab goes up there, and voila! Just be mindful of this wire over here. There's grooves that it goes into. Black tape can be pulled out. So now it's time to put the screws back on. So I do find that by tilting it back, the screen back that is, they do go in easier. So there are 2 more on the bottom, but just to make this video short, I'll just skip those real fast, get back to them afterwards, and put the casing on. and then it just snaps back in. You could do it gently. There do tend to be a couple pockets that you just have to be mindful of pushing them in all the way, but it really does not require much pressure. Like so. Put the battery back in. And voila, it's good to go. Okay, well enjoy everybody. It really is that simple, and it really does take that short of a period of time. And laptopscreens.com is literally just an emporium. It's a huge library, and this laptop is a few years old. This is October 2019 that this is being filmed, and they still have that. So yeah, best of luck. Bye.